Hello America, Mark Kelson here today. Beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Present to you this really nice looking Thor 4 Winds 31Y Class C motorhome. It is a pre-owned. This is in excellent shape. Let's go in and take a look at it. One thing you'll notice, these steps are integrated into the coach rather than having electronic steps coming out, so no chance in those failing at all. But you get in here, and this has a beautiful floor plan. This is much like a Class A model floor plan too, but you have the couch, which sits directly across from the dinette, and so you can be conversing with your friends and family, and you can get a lot of people in this coach with this full wall slide that is on this side. So it is very versatile. Nice cabinets, beautiful maple, woodwork, valances exquisitely done. Nice little shelf there with some cup holders in the back. The TV is positioned where you can see it from there, up in the bed behind you. Corian countertops, Moen faucet. You have the convection microwave right there. This does have an induction cooktop right there and also propane, so you have either that you can use. That's kind of nice, really. Coming back here, you have a step up into a bathroom right here that has a huge shower. This has a pocket door so it closes nicely. Good ambient lighting in there. Huge shower. Oh, I neglected in the kitchen area, there is your refrigerator right up here in the step right next to the cooktop stove. 2-door refrigerator. And this full wall slide, this is huge. So you got your pantry right here, a couple slide drawers, put cereal in, what have you. And then coming back into the bedroom, you're going to have a little area right here for clothes and wardrobe. Nice big, and the thing I like about this is you got two on either side of the bed also. So you got a north-south bed, which is going to produce a lot of space underneath for storage. And you do have a side stand over here, windows on either side. You have a TV over here. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a TV for entertainment right there. Just a great Class C motorhome. Has everything you could ever want. Coming up front, you're looking at a Ford chassis, Ford engine in this coach, backup camera. It has it all. At the touch of a button, you have your cruise control, you have your wipers, everything right there. This is your extra bed right here. Flip it down, put it in place, window on the side. Kids love that, like a jungle gym up there. Pretty cool. Let's go outside and see what it has to offer. So coming outside, you got the frameless windows, beautiful color. You have the automatic awning up top with the light up on top, the LED lighting for patio parties and stuff like that. Pretty cool. I think we have the storage right here. Nice little storage area underneath. Nice beige color with the vinyl graphics on this. Now, you do have outside speakers for entertaining out here when you have that awning out. Here's the area in question underneath the bed. Look at that. It's almost a whole nother room. You have tables, all that kind of stuff under there that you can utilize. And you can get at this from 3 sides, and you'll see that as we go around the coach. Ladder on the back, accessing the top of the roof. You got a 7,000-pound hitch on this, I believe. Excuse me, that's an 8,000-pound hitch, so you can tow pretty big unit. You have the backup camera up here, and here's another of those areas that I talked about. Just push that up, let it go, and you can get big long stuff in the back here very simply. Coming around to the side, again another access, full wall slide, huge. You're going to have underneath, you're going to have another storage area. You have an outdoor shower right here. You have a tankless water heater right there. Your generators over on this side underneath with 4,000 Onan. Just a beautiful little coach. Side running boards. Nice tires on this coach. Low miles. If this coach is of interest to you or any of them that we have on our campus, please give me a call. Mark Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.